Hello and welcome to Exciting Earnings. YouTube has grown into an unmatched platform for content creators seeking to earn passive income. With more than 2 billion monthly active users, it offers one of the largest audiences available, allowing creators from diverse backgrounds to monetize their content and reach a global market. Whether you're an individual with a passion for a particular subject, an entrepreneur looking to promote your brand, or a business seeking new revenue streams, YouTube provides an incredible opportunity to generate income from your videos over time. Unlike traditional businesses, starting a YouTube channel doesn't require hefty investments or significant physical resources. All that's needed is a computer, an internet connection, and the creativity to produce high-quality content. Choosing the right niche for profitability. The success of your YouTube channel hinges on selecting the right niche. Your niche determines your target audience, content type, and, most importantly, your ability to monetize effectively. Finding a niche that aligns with both your passion and audience demand is essential. It's tempting to choose a niche based purely on profitability, but creating content around a subject you are passionate about will keep you motivated, especially during challenging growth phases. Popular niches for 2025 include personal finance, health and fitness, self-improvement, technology, and educational content. These topics are in high demand and attract high-paying advertisers due to their broad appeal. For instance, personal finance content typically garners lucrative deals with banks and financial services, while fitness channels often partner with supplement companies. Tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy are invaluable for identifying profitable niches. These platforms allow you to explore trending topics, competition levels, and audience interest, helping you make informed decisions about your niche. It's important to avoid common mistakes, such as choosing a broad or overly competitive niche, or one that lacks longevity. Focus on carving out a unique angle within your niche. For example, rather than just covering fitness, narrow it down to a specific focus like strength training for beginners or yoga for busy professionals. A unique approach makes you stand out and attracts a more loyal, engaged audience, increasing your chances of long-term success. Mastering the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm plays a crucial role in determining the visibility of your videos. Understanding and mastering the algorithm can significantly increase your chances of success. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes several factors, such as audience retention, click-through rate, CTR, engagement, and session duration. This means that in addition to creating compelling content, your videos must also be optimized for these key factors to rank higher and gain more views. Audience retention refers to how long viewers watch your videos. High retention rates signal to the algorithm that your content is engaging, leading to more recommendations. To boost retention, create videos with a strong hook, smooth transitions, and a compelling narrative. Your title and thumbnail play a huge role in CTR, as they are the first things viewers see. A well-designed thumbnail, coupled with an enticing title, increases the likelihood that viewers will click on your video. Session duration is another crucial factor. The longer users stay on YouTube after watching your video, the better your video will perform in the algorithm. Encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos by using playlists, end screens, and video suggestions can increase session duration. Using YouTube Analytics helps you track these metrics and fine-tune your content strategy to improve engagement and visibility. Content creation process. A successful content creation process ensures that you produce high-quality, consistent videos that engage your audience. The process begins with research and planning. Research involves understanding your audience's needs and identifying relevant topics, while planning helps you structure your video logically and with clear objectives. During the production stage, the key focus should be on creating visually appealing and high-quality content. While you don't need expensive equipment, good lighting and a decent microphone are essential for professional-looking videos. Filming techniques like using natural light, Maintaining eye contact with the camera and including B-roll footage can elevate the production value. Editing is where raw footage turns into a polished video. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve are great options for editing. Use jump cuts to keep the pacing tight, add captions for accessibility, and incorporate music to keep viewers engaged. Finally, optimizing your video with SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags ensures your content reaches its target audience. Monetization strategies for maximum profit. To maximize passive income from YouTube, diversify your revenue streams. While ad revenue is common, it's unreliable on its own due to fluctuations in CPM. Combine it with other methods like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales for a more stable income. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income, especially in niches like tech or personal finance. By including affiliate links in your video descriptions, you earn a commission when viewers purchase recommended products. Sponsorships provide another lucrative income source, where brands pay you to feature their products in your videos. Selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates is another effective way to monetize. For example, a photography channel could offer Lightroom presets, while a tech channel could sell online courses. Membership programs such as Patreon or YouTube memberships allow your loyal viewers to support your content in exchange for exclusive perks. Merchandise sales through platforms like Teespring or Printful also provide additional income streams. Marketing and promoting your channel. Promoting your channel is just as important as creating great content. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are ideal for sharing teasers and updates, keeping your audience engaged and interested. You can also collaborate with other creators in your niche to tap into new audiences and increase credibility. SEO optimization is crucial for organic growth. Using tools like VidiQ and TubeBuddy can help identify the best keywords to include in your titles, descriptions, and tags. These tools also suggest improvements to your metadata, helping your videos rank higher in search results. Paid ads are another effective promotional strategy. Google Ads allows you to target specific audiences, helping your videos gain visibility quickly. Although paid promotions require an investment, they can be an excellent way to jumpstart your channel's growth, attracting loyal subscribers and more views. Automation and scaling. As your channel grows, the amount of work can become overwhelming. Automating repetitive tasks and outsourcing certain aspects of content creation and promotion allows you to focus on scaling your business. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can automate your social media scheduling, while YouTube's scheduling feature lets you upload videos in advance. Outsourcing tasks such as video editing, thumbnail design, and scripting to freelancers can help streamline your workflow. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer access to skilled professionals who can assist with various aspects of content creation. As your channel grows, consider hiring a social media manager, content strategist, or virtual assistant to help manage day-to-day tasks. Expanding your income streams beyond ad revenue and sponsorships is essential for scaling. You can create online courses, launch membership programs, or host webinars to diversify your revenue. Scaling your channel efficiently requires both strategic automation and outsourcing. Challenges and how to overcome them. Every YouTube creator faces challenges, particularly during the early stages. Slow growth can be discouraging, but patience and persistence are key. Focus on improving content quality, engaging with your audience, and optimizing for SEO. Negative comments may arise, but it's important to develop a thick skin and stay positive. Consistency is also critical. To avoid burnout, create a realistic content schedule. Tools like Trello or Notion can help you plan and organize your video ideas. Future trends in YouTube for passive income. In 2025, expect to see AI-powered tools revolutionize content creation. YouTube is also embracing interactive features like live streams and polls to boost engagement. The growing demand for niche content will open more opportunities for creators who specialize in topics like sustainable living. Conclusion: building your path to success. Building a profitable YouTube channel requires dedication, strategy, and creativity. Choose the right niche, craft evergreen content, master the algorithm, and diversify your monetization. Learn from successful creators, overcome challenges with consistency, and adapt to emerging trends. By consistently delivering value and leveraging tools, you can turn your YouTube channel into a passive income powerhouse. Take action, create compelling content, and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.